things. They don't look like normal plants and they eat insects. Let's take a closer look at this plant. Notice that there are tiny spiky hairs inside the leaves. I wonder what it does. Let's ask ReeRee about this. All right, let's put our 2 hands on our head. Let's begin. Calling ReeRee.
Here I come.
Whee!
Hello, Gizmo.
Hello, ReeRee. Can you tell what kind of plants are these? And why do they trap animals?
Of course. Let's answer that.
Here. Ooh.
Look at here.
Wow! Look at that!
These plants are called carnivorous plants.
Oh!
Unlike other plants, they get their food by eating insects, small animals, and other prey.
Really?
And once they catch something, it can take the plant a whole week just to digest its snack.
That's too long.
These plants live in swamps, marshes, and bogs, and they hate salt water.
So they hate the beach. How about the ones who trapped Mr. Parrot?
Oh, these are Venus Flytraps. They are very sensitive, and they do have a tiny spikes, which are called triggerheads. Then, if a prey touches them, the plant snaps shut to catch its food.
Aw, that's what happened to Mr. Parrot.
Sadly, yes. But I know you can free him.
I will.
That's all. Over and out.